iCopy Programmer is a time saver for anyone dealing with iPhone components replacement. You can read and write data in one click using this programmer only and edit data using the iCopy software. Here we have a set with display, touchscreen, Taptic engine connection board and battery connection board. Later we will show you how to work using them. You can buy and board separately as well. To start working with the iCopy programmer, connect it to a power bank or any other power supply unit. Battery is not included. Connect the required board. Double-click the right button to change the interface language. Double-click the read button to open the instructions. Here we have a damaged original iPhone XS display. First, we will connect it to the iCopy programmer to read its data. Then press the read button and wait until the operation is completed. Now